Panther Magazine, the Panther Platform lookbook and the official publication for the Panther Platform. What's up, everyone? It's Derek McCottrell, the founder and CEO of Panther Magazine. Thanks for checking out the Panther Magazine YouTube channel. One of the most common modifications most people make to their Panther Platform cars is upgrading the gears. Upgrading the gears on your car definitely involves you upgrading the differential as well. So what are gears exactly? A car's gear ratio is also known as the axle ratio. This is the amount of times the drive shaft needs to turn in order for the axle to rotate one time. This is how a gear ratio is calculated. You divide the teeth on the ring gear by the number of teeth on the pinion. For example, 373 gears, for every one turn of the ring gear, the pinion will turn 3.73 times. Lower gear ratio usually provides a higher top speed, and a higher gear ratio usually provides you with faster acceleration. A higher gear ratio also decreases fuel economy, so the higher your gears are, you're not going to do too well on the gas tank. I know a lot of people that drive Panther cars, obviously, and upgrading the gears is one thing a lot of guys do, and there's two very common gear ratios that guys upgrade these cars with, and I'm going to explain those really quick. You have 373 gears. 373 gears help with acceleration, especially on the Panther Platform cars, and also provides more torque to the axle. These are bigger cars with small engines, so 373s is what most guys go for when they're looking for acceleration off the line. Especially guys that drag race these cars, 373s is usually what guys aim for, and ladies as well. Then you have the 410 gears. 410 gears on a Panther Platform car is usually for people that race these cars or drag strip them. They want to drive the car faster. 410s usually give you a higher acceleration, a faster acceleration, and a lot more torque than 373s. The downside to 410s is you get lower top speeds. I think that's like the only downside to it. And fuel economy, like I said earlier, increases a lot when you upgrade to the 410 gears. If you want to know the stock gear ratio on your car, on your Panther car, you just have to check the differential. There's a small metal tag on there that will tell you exactly what gears your car is currently running. And that's pretty much the video. I just want to talk about gears really quick. It's an important modification for people that really race these cars or are looking for faster speed, better torque, and acceleration. I'm interested to know what type of gears you guys are running on your Panthers, so leave that in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.